Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. And also enroll for mocks. We are providing 5 latest pattern mocks for rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these mocks for better practice. Let's start with first question. The Home Rule movement was an important movement during the phase of Indian national movement. First point is, it was in 1915 that Annie Besant announced her decision to establish a Home Rule League at Madras based on the model of the Irish Home Rule League. Second point is, in 1916, Bal Gangadhar Tilak organized his own Home Rule League at Pune. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer is A, both 1 and 2. Let's check the another question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the answer using the code given below this list. List 1 is name of the authors, list 2 is name of the book. So the correct answer is C. That is Premchand is the author and the book is Gaban. Then Devki Nandan Khatri and the book is Chandrakanta. Bhagwati Charan Verma and the book is Chitralekha. And Dayanand Saraswati, the book is Satyarth Prakash. Let's check the another question. Who has become the first Indian to win the Richard Dawkins Award? The correct answer is C. Javed Akhtar. Let's check the another question. When did SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launch the SkySats 19, 20 and 21? The correct answer is C. August 18, 2020. Let's check the another question. Which among the following books is not written by Arundhati Roy? The correct answer is Once Upon a Time. Let's check the another question. Consider the following statement in the context of Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Rural Livelihoods Mission. The first point is, it is a centrally sponsored program that aims at eliminating rural poverty through promotion of multiple livelihoods for the rural poor households across the country. The second point is, the Union Cabinet has approved a special package worth rupees 820 crore for Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh for a period of 5 years till 2023 to 24. Select the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer is C. Only one. Though the first point is correct. It is centrally sponsored program that aims at eliminating rural poverty through promotion of multiple livelihoods for the rural poor households across the country. Let's check the another question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. So list 1 is Arjuna Award 2020 and list 2 is Sports Discipline. The correct answer is D. That is, the first one is Atanu Das. The answer is Archery. Savant Ajay Anand. The answer is Equestrian. The C1 Kale Sarika Sudhakar. Answer is Kho-Kho. And the Tu Baban Bokanal. The answer is rowing. Let's check the another question. The longest circle which can be drawn on the Earth's surface passes through. The correct answer is D. Equator. The equator is a circle that is equidistant from the North Pole and South Pole. It divides the Earth into Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. Of the parallels of circle of latitude, it is the longest and the only great circle. Let's take the another question. The famous hill station Kodaikanal is in. The correct answer is B. Palani Hills. Kodaikanal is one of the very popular holiday destination hill resort in South India. This hill station stands 7,200 feet above sea level and situated in the Upper Palani Hills of the Western Ghats near Madurai in Tamil Nadu. And Kodaikanal is also popularly known as Prince of Hill Stations. Let's take the another question. Dash is gained when a bullet is fired upward vertically. The correct answer is D. Potential energy. If you fire a bullet vertically upwards, it may rise as high as 10,000 feet. Or around 2.7 kilometers. When the bullet is fired, it has kinetic energy and the direction is vertically upward. The bullet continues to lose kinetic energy and gain potential energy at higher heights. Let's take the another question. Which city is known for its chicken embroidery? The correct answer is Lucknow. Lucknow is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Let's take the another question. To which field of literature is the Booker Prize awarded every year? The correct answer is A. Fiction. The International Booker Prize is awarded annually for a single work of fiction translated into English and published in the UK by a registered imprint. Both work of long-form fiction and collections of short stories are eligible. Let's take the another question. Which is the oldest Veda? The correct answer is C. Rigved. The Rigved Samhita is the oldest extant Indic text. It is a collection of 1,028 Vedic Sanskrit hymns and 10,600 verses. Let's check the another question. The length of the longest railway platform in India is. The correct answer is A. 4481.6 feet. The world's longest station platform is at Gorakhpur Junction in India, and it is 1355.40 meters. Let's check the another question. What do you call the study of encryptions? The correct answer is D. Epigraphy. Let's check the another question. Vivo is the product of which company? The correct answer is Sony. Vivo was originally a brand of Sony, introduced in 1996. Let's check the another question. Who wrote the book Paradoxical Prime Minister? The correct answer is B. Shashi Tharoor. Let's check the another question. Which of the following is not a member of BIMSTEC, BIMSTEC? The correct answer is D. China. Let's check the another question. Which of the following is the Bharat Ratna recipients? The correct answer is D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar. All the three options are correct. So our option D, all options are correct, is the right answer. Let's check the another question. Jigyasa has been launched by the Government of India. Which of the following is correct about it? The correct answer for this is C. This program is implemented by the CSIR in collaboration with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, and the main focus of the program is to connect school students and scientists. Hope the video will help you in preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for the instant notification. All the best. Thank you.